Is the customer favorite badge worth the effort on Walmart? And the answer is usually yes, because Walmart actually did an initiative, they did a big launch, and what they're doing right now is they're offering pretty much 100% off referral fees if you qualify as a top selling item, right? So pretty much if your item is considered a top seller, aka it sells pretty well on Walmart, when you sell your product, instead of it charging a 15% referral fee, it's zero. So it's extremely hard to lose money this way. And a couple of our clients' products right now are like grandfathered in. And every time they generate a sale, it's 0% commission, 0%, meaning Walmart's pretty much making no money at all, right? I've never seen a platform do this. Walmart's doing it, so you need to take advantage. And in order to do it, you pretty much need to double down on your listing quality score. So there's a growth tab in Walmart. It shows the listing quality score. Make sure you double down on the listing quality score. You optimize your title, high res images, key attributes, competitive description, but you can't forget about price either. Your price needs to be competitive. And if possible, ship it via WFS. That's pretty much going to be the criteria right here on how to get qualified. If you also run Walmart ads, it's going to get you seen, it's going to get you more clicks, and then Walmart's algorithm is automatically going to think you're a bestseller as well. So try to kind of attack all areas of those and you should be good to go. Also, just make sure your overall account, there's no order defect rates or anything wrong with your tracking, right? And in order to do that, you can offer WFS, so you ship all of your products to Walmart's fulfillment center, and you have to have a competitive price. So the same exact price of Amazon or a little bit lower than Amazon's price. If Amazon sells it for $42, do not sell for $43 or you most likely won't be eligible. Right? Make sure there's no, on your listing quality dashboard, it's going to look something similar to this, obviously a little bit more detailed than this image, but this is pretty much it, where it's going to say, hey, look, your title, we give it a 50. And in school, when you got a 50 on your paper, it was a really bad grade, like an F. You want to have all A's. So you want to have 90% or higher in every single category, because Walmart's going to give you a ranking and you want to make sure you double down on your best sellers, right? And it's even said here on this blog, Walmart game plan, pinpoint your best toy bestsellers, right? Ship to WFS, revisit pricing, and test fresh listings. Now, this is up to you. They mentioned toys because they give 0% referral fees on qualifying toys as well. That's only for the holiday season. They give 50% referral fee reduction on all qualifying pet supplies, and then 100% referral fee reduction on qualifying top selling items across categories. Now, I don't know who made this from Walmart, but they put 0% referral fee and then up to 100% referral fee reduction, which is the same exact thing. I don't know why they put both, but it's kind of funny. It just makes you think about how Walmart thinks. But to get this special badge, it's like a little star on the back end, only you can see it. It's not very difficult, right? So if you optimize your listing, you do utilize WFS, you run a little bit of Walmart ads, you'll be good to go. And one of your products are going to be a bestseller. I would double down on the items that are already doing good, right? Focus on your top 2 or 3 items to get that badge. And then you're going to see, oh my gosh, we're getting a discount, and all the way down to a 0%. Some of our clients have 7.5% referral fee, which is still phenomenal. And then some of them have 0, which I'm just like, this is, no matter what, they're making money, which is amazing at the end of the day. So look into this, double down on your listing so that way you can succeed long-term on Walmart. And if you want more Walmart videos, tell me what to cover next in the comments. Learn something new, drop a like, and I highly recommend subscribing to the channel if you are on your Walmart journey like we are with you. We're here to help you increase your sales. We can also help you get this referral fee down, and anything Walmart, customer service, design, SEO, listing reinstatement, account reinstatement, contacting Walmart for you, and even account management. We do it all. The link's right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of VHP Consulting Group, signing out.